Alright guys, so just finished painting. So we painted both cans. First I did a little bit of sanding, then I hit it with some mineral spirits, and then we did, I just basically used one can for each can, one can of spray paint for each can, jerry can, and then I painted these, I don't know, caps and whatnot, with some bed liner. So I like that black and red look. So that looks really good. So we're just gonna let this dry up here, and then once it's dry, we'll throw it on the Jeep. Alrighty, so we got the jerry cans mounted. I didn't put the brackets on yet that hold them in, just because I want to let the paint dry a little bit more. But then I'll toss them in. But yeah, that looks much better, much closer. As you can see here, that's much closer than what it was before. Now it's got like a nice it's got a nice gloss finish to it. So yeah, and then I do like the bed line on there, and there kind of just matches everything, brings it all together, which is nice. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a lot, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video.